Love and sexual joy are the help of a solid relationship. In any case, a few of us are sad without this great gift because of our sexual inabilities, for example, erectile brokenness. This sickness regularly prompts unfulfilled sexual cravings and sexual contradiction, which numerous a period prompts broken and awful connections. In the majority of the cases, erectile brokenness (ED) is the principal offender behind many demolished relationships. Be that as it may, on account of our stars, this feared affliction can be dealt with the assistance of ED non-exclusive pills, for example, Kamagra, Edegra, and Caverta. The appearance of these New Age conventional medications that guide male erectile issues by focusing on a key protein that controls the bloodstream to the penis is a major gift for a huge number of ED victims. The use of ED non-exclusive pills can be exceptionally exciting and satisfying as the impacts of these medications are normal. They are without any vibe of limited weight or any unnatural aggravation. With their appropriate use, you can have intercourse with full energy and life. You'll have the option to achieve, keep up and lose erections and afterwards start the cycle over once more, and recapture an erection, effectively and normally. While utilizing these miracle pills, erection turns out to be extremely simple. It permits you to do various things during intercourse, for example, essentially staying still inside your sweetheart for a few minutes and adoring each snapshot of this nearness. Such an out-of-the-world experience is inconceivable without ED non-exclusive pills. These marvel sedates significantly expands our pleasure and feeling of closeness and makes the open door for us to investigate extra things that we could do to give extreme sexual joy to our accomplice. In this way, on the off chance that you need to encounter the sorcery of adoration and sentiment, at that point choose ED conventional pills. These medications, which are accessible at a less expensive cost, can do miracles to your adoration life, so grasp them and see the distinction for yourself.